In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and clicking on it. When you're ready, launch it in the background and click on this icon of a square at the top right corner. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. Then hit got it in the pop-up. Now, to turn it into a bubble, you can click on this icon of a line on the left and then click on your bubble to open your window. To use more options of pop-up view and try all of them, click on this blue line and track all of those. To use your app in full screen view, click on square button at the top left corner. And to close it completely, tap on this X at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!